Anthony Edwards 2, AE2, is creating major buzz online as fans await its official release. Currently spotlighted during Edwards' Believe That China tour, the sneaker captures attention not only through the star's presence but also with meaningful and stylish designs. The debut colorway, With Love, honors Edwards' late mother and grandmother, highlighting the emotional value behind the shoe. Meanwhile, fresh looks are already surfacing, such as the striking core black and lime burst edition revealed by a collector on Instagram. This version showcases a dark textile base with bright green accents across synthetic panels, logos, and a semi-translucent outsole. Priced at $130, the AE2 is set to officially launch in April 2026 via Adidas.com, with more product images and details expected soon. Excitement continues to build as fans anticipate new styles and deeper storytelling.